Hi guys, I'm Kelvin from Raw Coding, and today we'll be talking about designing and adding strips to your Wix website.
A strip is a design element that spans the entire width of your web page. To add a strip, press Add, go onto Strip, and you'll be faced with a bunch of strip templates that have been designed by Wix. What we will be doing today is actually creating our own strip from scratch. So if you scroll down all the way to the classic strips, drag in the white one over here, just drop it into the Wix editor, just drag it up, and there it is. The first thing we'll be doing is changing the strip background. Select the strip, press Change Strip Background, and we'll choose a color, a light blue. So currently the strip is a single column that spans the entire width of your web page. To add various columns, press Layout and select Add Column. I'm going to add 2 extra columns. I'm going to press it twice. And now we have 3 separate columns that we can add separate information to. In the first column, I'm going to add an image. I'm going to select the column, press Change Column Background, go on to Image, select Free from Wix, and I'm going to choose the skyscraper image. So now an image comprises this column. In the second column, I'm going to add text heading and a paragraph. I'm going to press Add, Text, add a heading. Ensure that your content of the column is dragged into the guidelines, which can be seen over here. This will ensure that your information is always visible regardless of the user's screen size. Just going to change the heading information. And I'm going to add a paragraph. Go on Add, Text, Paragraph. I'm going to drag it in again, attach it to the column, double click on the paragraph, and add some information there. Obviously this is just an example, and you'll be adding groundbreaking information on your website. In the third column, I'll be adding a contact form, which will allow users to simply input their information and submit it. To add a contact form, press Add, go on to Contact, and I'm just going to add this one over here. I'm going to edit this form to make it look more refined for the strip. So once you have finished creating the contents of your form, you can press Preview, and if you resize the browser window to accommodate for smaller monitors, you can see that Wix automatically reformats the contents of your strip to accommodate for smaller monitor sizes. So this concludes creating and editing strips on Wix. If you are interested in joining Wix, please do click on the link in the video description below. It basically tells Wix that you joined through me, and it will help me out a lot. If you would like to watch more tutorials on how to use Wix, please do look at my channel and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.